Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we are going to do the long awaited, overdue, elegant, red, black, and white formal dining room holiday tablescape and dining room. So if you want to see how I put all this together and on a budget, just continue to watch. I'm showing you right here, guys, what it looks like with all the lights out and just the lights from the table and things on. I love the cast that it's giving off, like the diamond look, and as I told you, I achieved this by putting string lights inside of the garland that's in the centerpiece I'm sorry, centerpiece of the tablescape. So you can also use string lights to give you extra light when you need it. I would love for you to become a part of the Design on a Dollar family. You can do that by hitting the red subscribe button and then hitting the post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload. Then I would love for you to like this video by giving it a big thumbs up, and finally share this video and our channel so that we can continue to grow. So fam, I wanted to bring to you guys a nice, elegant red, black, and white Christmas theme or holiday table scheme. My children say it's because my school colors are red, black, and white, but I just wanted to try this out and to see if it was going to be something that I was pleased with. And I have to say, I am very, very pleased. So guys, please share this video so that our subscriber count can become higher in 2020. I am so looking forward to 50,000 subscribers in our first few months of 2020. And I would love for you to help us get to that spot. Now guys, Dollar Tree had these square buffalo check chargers or trays as well, and since I set this up as a 6-seater, I put two of those square buffalo check trays on either end. And guys, those red glasses I got from TJ Maxx, and I'm quite sure they are a Z Gallery or Pure Import Warrants glass. And I love the center of the table. And as you can recall, guys, we did the center of the table together, and I will link that video down in the description box so that you can go check that out. I also love putting my mirror coaster holders on to the table. I just feel like it adds just a little bit of glam and elegance to the whole tablescape. Guys, if you can remember when we did the center of the tablescape, I told you that I couldn't find red curtains the way that I wanted them, so I was going to use a tablecloth for the red curtains. And then I also just decided to put 2 of the Dollar Tree red runners on the window as a window treatment as well. And here you can see on the back of the chairs is the chair decorations that I like to do. I like to put a chair decorations on each one of my tablescapes. I just feel like it adds a little bit more glam as well. And here I have Dollar Tree wreaths, Dollar Tree buffalo check, Dollar Tree berries. Everything to make this except for the white picks came from the Dollar Tree. So guys, you can make a elegant tablescape And you could do that on a budget. And here is the Christmas tree. As you can see, I took the white tree that we made on our channel as the tree topper, along with some of the red picks like I used for the table napkins. And as you can see, you see all the DIY ornaments that we made, some together and some without. The red truck ones are DIYs that I made last year. And so pretty much the tree is mostly DIY ornaments, and that's my goal, to do a little bit of DIY ornaments each year so that I can keep on adding to my unique pieces to put on my Christmas trees. I love that red one right there, and the Merry and Brights came out so well. And that one with the hat and the buffalo check was one from last year. And with those picks, I just opened the picks up. I pulled them out instead of keeping them straight. And this was also another dupe, high-end dupe ornament. And so guys, I just really love the way that the tree came out. Like I said, there's several DIYs on the tablescape. That black and white bling ornament is another DIY, and I use the tubing of the ribbon. And here is the place setting, guys. I use one of the Dollar Tree 'Tis the Season buffalo check chargers. I also have some DIY buffalo check chargers on our channel. I have some white dishes that I got from Pure Imports clearance section. I love that little peak of white that's coming from up under the the rest of the plates. And then the red and the black plates, the red plate and the black salsa also are Dollar Tree. And then I took a white lap towel and some buffalo check ribbon, and I made a bow like present kind of thing for the plates. And the napkin rings are DIY napkin rings that I made using mostly all Dollar Tree items. And guys, I love this tablescape. I love the elegance of it, the simplicity of it. I love the pillows that we made together. So it's a lot of DIYs on this table, and as you can see from an area view, it all came together really nicely. I even like the window treatments and the way the window treatments came out. So guys, like I said, you can do a fabulous tablescape on a budget and look like you spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on that tablescape. I even got a good deal on the glasses, guys, at TJ Maxx. You know, they normally run anywhere from $14.99 to $16.99, and I think I paid $3.99 or $4.99 for them. And I didn't do a whole lot to the buffet. My little red truck that has the countdown for Christmas on it, and also I have a red table runner to put on it, and I may put it on, and then again I may not. Guys, this is a Bath and Body Works candle. It's frosted peppermint, and it smells so good. And those little candlelight tea light holders are Dollar Tree tea light holders. They look so expensive, and the lanterns are DIYs from last year. And I keep this up all year round, the gold branches. And I got the angels from Tuesday morning. It is a Christmas angel, but I keep them out year round. So yeah, guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this holiday tablescape. I really would like for you to do me this big favor. On January 28th, I turned 50 years old. And I really want to have 50,000 subscribers on my 50th birthday. So if you can Share this video with at least 5 people. And if you know someone that does not have a YouTube channel yet, sign them up so they can and get them to become a part of our YT family. I would love to reach 50,000 on my 50th birthday. So that's what I want for my birthday present, guys. So please go ahead, share it with 5 people. Ask those 5 people to become a part of our family so we can reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers. And at this Christmas holiday season, sharing in the gift of Christ, remember, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this, guys, I truly mean it.